Did you know that nearly 80% of people who try to lose weight end up gaining it back? Crazy, right? It's time to break that cycle. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some top weight loss meals for beginners that can help you drop those pounds fast. Making healthy choices doesn't have to be complicated or boring. We're here to show you how easy it can be. All right, let's get real for a second. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when trying to lose weight is just how confusing all the diet information can be. With so many diets out there, keto, paleo, intermittent fasting, it's no wonder people feel overwhelmed. And then there's the temptation of unhealthy eating habits. Fast food is quick, it's easy, and let's be honest, it's delicious. But if you want to see results, you've got to make some changes. Understanding what to eat and making those choices can feel like a mountain to climb. But don't worry, we're going to simplify this for you. Now let's get into the meat of the matter, pun intended. Here's a curated list of some top weight loss meals that are not only easy to prepare, but also super nutritious and yes, delicious. First up, we have a classic, grilled chicken salad. It's packed with lean protein and veggies, and you can customize it with your favorite toppings. Toss in some avocado for healthy fats and you're set. Next, we have a quinoa and black bean bowl. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, which keeps you full longer. Add some salsa and fresh cilantro, and you've got a fiesta in a bowl. And don't forget about zoodles, zucchini noodles. They're a great low-carb alternative to pasta. Top them with a homemade tomato sauce and some turkey meatballs for a satisfying meal that won't weigh you down. Trust me, these meals pack a punch without packing on the pounds. Now let's talk about the game changer, overnight oats. This is probably the simplest weight loss meal you can whip up. Just mix oats with your favorite milk, a scoop of protein powder and some fruit, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you have a filling breakfast that's ready to go. It's nutritious, keeps you satisfied, and can even help curb those cravings throughout the day. This one meal could lead to significant weight loss results. It's that effective. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic meals that can help you get started on your weight loss journey. Remember, grilled chicken salad, quinoa bowls, zoodles, and overnight oats are not just healthy. They're also tasty and super easy to make. Incorporating these meals into your routine can set you on the path to achieving your weight loss goals quickly and healthily. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite weight loss meals? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy eating, be sure to check out another one of my videos. Let's keep this journey going together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.